Hello guys and welcome to part 3, that is the last part of the MCQs on Silas Marner. If you haven't checked the first two videos, please check them first and then continue this video. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the MCQs. Question number 101. Who is called the greatest man in Ravello? The options are A. Silas Marner, B. Dunstan Cass, C. Ben Winthrop, or D. Squire Cass. The correct option is D. Squire Cass. Question number 102. Where was the large red house, that is Squire Cass's house, situated? The options are A. Behind Silas's cottage, B. Opposite the church, C. Near Stone Pit, or D. Near Lantern Yard. The correct option is B. Opposite the church. Question number 103. Which families in Ravello were regarded as equally rich and ancient? The options are A. Cass and Osgood, B. Cass and Kimball, C. Cass and Winthrop, or D. Cass and Snell. The correct option is A. Cass and Osgood. Question number 104. Who inherited Squire Cass's property? The options are A. Silas, B. Dunstan, C. Priscilla, or D. Godfrey. The correct option is D. Godfrey. Question number 105. What was the blunder committed by Godfrey? The options are A. Decided to adopt Eppie, B. Told father about his secret marriage, C. Secretly married a drug addicted woman, or D. Loved Nancy. The correct option is C. Secretly married a drug addicted woman. Question number 106. Dunstan decided to sell Wildfire, the horse, to dash dash. The options are A. Mr. Macy, B. Either Bryce or Keating, C. Mr. Tukey, or D. Mr. Osgood. The correct option is B. Either Bryce or Keating. Question number 107. Dunstan sold Wildfire to Bryce at dash dash pounds. The options are A. 175, B. 188, C. 180, or D. 120. The correct option is D. 120. Question number 108. Silas hides his treasury in dash dash underground. Options are A. 2 boxes, B. 2 trunks, C. 2 leather bags, or D. 5 bags. The correct option is C. 2 leather bags. Question number 109. Godfrey Cass went in Mrs. Osgood's party to meet dash dash. The options are A. Dunstan, B. Nancy Lammeter, C. Molly, or D. Justice Malam. The correct option is B. Nancy Lammeter. Question number 110. Who was regarded in Tarley and Ravello as a highly intelligent man having a fertile mind? The options are A. Justice Malam, B. Dr. Kimball, C. Godfrey Cass, or D. Squire Cass. The correct option is A. Justice Malam. Question number 111. Rational people think of robbery on the basis of tinder box, while some people think robbery was mysterious and some think that dash dash was responsible for it. The options are A. Natural power, B. Physical power, C. Evil supernatural power, or D. Extra power. The correct option is C. Evil supernatural power. Question number 112. The role of gold and money in Silas Marner is substitute for dash dash. The options are A. Property and saving, B. Estate and property, C. Buying and selling, or D. Love and companionship. The correct option is D. Love and companionship. Question number 113. Who was the first person to pay Marner in gold? The options are A. Mrs. Kimball, B. Mr. Osgood, C. Mrs. Osgood, or D. Justice Malam. The correct option is C. Mrs. Osgood. Question number 114. Where does Silas go when he finds his gold missing? Options are A. Tarley, B. The Rainbow, C. The Red House, or D. The Warrens. The correct option is B. The Rainbow. Question number 115. Silas Marner begins in the present and flashes back to when Silas was a young man in Lantern Yard. This part of the novel is called dash dash. The options are A. Rising action, B. Exposition, C. Climax, or D. Resolution. The correct option is B. Exposition. Question number 116. Introduction of Cass family, death of Molly, and Eppie's arrival in Silas cottage is a part dash dash of the plot. The options are A. Conflict, B. Exposition, C. Climax, or D. Rising action. The correct option is D. Rising action. Question number 118. What adjective best describes Dunstan Cass? The options are A. Cruel, selfish, or dishonest, B. Kind, C. Generous, or D. Religious. The correct option is A. Cruel, or selfish, or dishonest. Question number 119. How much amount did Godfrey get from Fowler, the tenant? The options are A. 100 rubles, B. 100 francs, C. $100, or D. 100 pounds. The correct option is D. 100 pounds. Question number 120. According to Dunstan, there are three possible hiding places of Silas's treasury. They are dash dash, the bed, and a hole in the floor. The options are A. the thatch, B. roof, C. mattress, or D. pillow. The correct option is A. the thatch. Question number 21. What made Silas to enjoy the sight of his treasury before meal? The options are A. sense of attraction, B. sense of revenge, C. sense of possession, or D. sense of fun. The correct option is C. sense of possession. Question number 122. How old was Eppie when she arrived at Silas cottage? Options are A. 2 years, B. 6 years, C. 5 years, or D. 1 year. The correct option is A. 2 years. Question number 123. Molly laid unconscious behind a dash dash. The options are A. tree near heavy stone, B. bush on the ground, C. stone on the snow, or D. bush on the snow. The correct option is D. bush on the snow. Question number 124. Why did Godfrey give half a guinea to Silas? The options are A. to keep him mum, B. to pay rent, C. to buy clothes for Eppie, or D. for breakfast. The correct option is C. to buy clothes for Eppie. Question number 125. Where did Molly live? The options are A. in the church, B. at Batherley, C. in London, or D. in Lantern Yard. The correct option is B. at Batherley. Question number 126. Dash dash is the most sympathetic woman who usually helps Silas. The options are A. Priscilla Lammeter, B. Mrs. Dolly Winthrop, C. Mrs. Osgood, or D. Nancy Lammeter. The correct option is B. Mrs. Dolly Winthrop. Question number 127. When Mrs. Dolly Winthrop suggests Silas to christen and give a name to the child, he fails to understand dash dash. The options are A. What name should be given, B. Conservative Christian rites and rituals, C. Orthodox Christian rites and rituals, or D. the name to suit its beauty. The correct option is C. Orthodox Christian rites and rituals. Question number 128. Eppie is the shortened and simplified form of Mano's dead mother and dash dash name Hephzibah. The options are A. friend, B. beloved, C. brother, or D. sister. The correct option is D. sister. Question number 129. How old Godfrey Cass was when Molly died? The options are A. 26 years, B. 22 years, C. 28 years, or D. 25 years. The correct option is A. 26 years. Question number 130. Eppie's presence helped Silas to forget dash dash. The options are A. friend and crime, B. lonely life and theft gold, C. religion and friend, or D. beloved and friend. The correct option is B. lonely life and theft gold. Question number 131. Mr. Lammeter was suffering from dash dash. The options are A. blood pressure, B. leprosy, C. arthritis, or D. rheumatism. The correct option is D. Rheumatism. Question number 132. How old was Eppie when Godfrey suggested to Nancy that they should adopt her? The options are A. 12 years, B. 26 years, C. 28 years, or D. 18 years. The correct option is A. 12 years. Question number 133. Which one of the following never describes Nancy? The options are A. Sincere, B. Unselfish, C. Beautiful, or D. Vulgar. The correct option is D. Vulgar. Question number 134. Skeleton of Dunstan's dead body was found dash dash years after he disappeared. The options are A. 15, B. 16, C. 18, or D. 22. The correct option is B. 16. Question number 135. Skeleton of Dunstan's dead body was found at dash dash. The options are beside the church, surface of a stone pit, bottom of a stone pit, or behind Marner's cottage. The correct option is bottom of a stone pit. Question number 136. Dunstan's skeleton was wedged dash dash. The options are A. among 4 stones, B. among 3 stones, C. between 2 big stones, or D. between 2 pipes. The correct option is C. between 2 big stones. Question number 137. Dunstan's watch, Godfrey's gold-handled dash dash, and Silas's hoard were found lying by the side of Dunstan's skeleton. The options are A. hunting whip, B. sword, C. knife, or D. dagger. The correct option is A. hunting whip. Question number 138. Eppie and Nancy were fond of dash dash. The options are A. swimming, B. reading, C. gardening, or D. shopping. The correct option is C. gardening. Question number 139. Eppie refused the offer of Godfrey and Nancy to adopt her because she dash dash. The options are A. hated the Cass family, B. wanted to take revenge, C. wanted to take care of old Silas, or D. promised it to her suitor. The correct option is C. wanted to take care of old Silas. Question number 140. Eppie could not bear the thought that Marner was dash dash. The options are A. really robbed, B. would live in cottage, C. very old, or D. not her real father. The correct option is D. not her real father. Question number 141. Why did Silas decide to visit Lantern Yard at the end of the novel Silas Marner? The options are A. to meet William Dane, B. to meet Mr. Paston, C. to watch the difference, or D. to visit his relatives. The correct option is B. to meet Mr. Paston. Question number 142. Silas Marner decided to visit Lantern Yard after staying dash dash years in Ravello. The options are A. 30, B. 15, C. 20, or D. 18. The correct option is A. 30. Question number 143. Eppie wore a light dress in her marriage ceremony which was presented to her by dash dash. The options are A. Mrs. Winthrop, B. Nancy Cass, C. Silas Marner, or D. Aaron Winthrop. The correct option is B. Nancy Cass. Question number 144. Who gave the feast for Eppie's wedding at the Rainbow for the village folk? The options are A. Mr. Krakenthorpe, B. Mr. Osgood, C. Godfrey Cass, or D. Silas Marner. The correct option is C. Godfrey Cass. Question number 145. Which one of the following is irrelevant to Eppie? The options are A. sincere, B. loyal, C. beautiful, or D. diplomatic. The correct option is D. diplomatic. Question number 146. Squire Cass was in support of dash dash wars so that the prices of agricultural commodities would increase. The options are A. First World War, B. Napoleonic, which happened in 1793 to 1815, C. Civil, or D. Anglo-French War. The correct option is B. Napoleonic, which happened between 1793 and 1815. Question number 147. How many stories develop in the novel Silas Marner? The options are A. 2, B. 4, C. 3 or D. 5. The correct option is A. 2. Question number 148. What type of narration is used in Silas Marner? The options are A. First person, B. Second person, C. Omniscient third person or D. Third person. The correct option is C. Omniscient third person. Question number 149. The climax in Silas Marner occurs with the theft of Silas's gold and the dash dash. The options are A. Eppie's engagement, B. Death of the squire, C. Dance in the inn or D. Arrival of Eppie. The correct option is D. Arrival of Eppie. And question number 150. Silas Marner is a dash dash character as he shows a considerable transformation in his behavior and conduct by the end of the novel. The options are A. Flat, B. Dynamic, C. Round or D. Static. The correct option is B. Dynamic. So that's it for these videos. Thank you very much for watching.